Hi guys, Hortensia here. Welcome back and welcome to a new video. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you like the video and if you are interested in more videos like this one. I just don't do an unboxing, I also do styling videos. I'm just passionate about fashion and I'm a big sneaker fan. I love finding new sneakers online and trying them on. So that's why I really have fun doing unboxings every now and then, or every 2 videos like I'm doing right now. I don't know if I'm going to change that or not, but I'm still having fun doing unboxings, so I'm just going to keep it up. So today we are unboxing the Reebok Aztrek. I don't know if you say Aztrek. Yeah, Aztrek Adventure 96 or Aztrek 96 Adventure. And I'm really excited about this one because these are the first like daddy sneakers that I'm unboxing, or like the first retro sneakers that I'm unboxing. I'm really excited about this. So their retail price is 110 euros, and right now you can have them for half that price. Like I've seen them for 50 euros or for 40 euros already. And let's just say that I like the design. When I'm doing an unboxing, it's just that I like the design, or I find the design a little bit interesting, so that's why I usually do unboxing. So they have this retro design, and that's why I wanted to unbox them. So let's start with the unboxing. They come in this really simple Reebok box, blue and red, blue on the top and red on the bottom, and you have the name on the side. I guess I'm going to put another small video because usually the focus just don't work when I want to show you guys the name and all the details on the boxes. And yeah, so on the box you can see that you can see the name of the shoes, Aztrek 96 Adventure for women. I ordered the size 10 for USA, it's 41 for Europe, and they actually fit really well. They are true to size. And when you open the box, they are wrapped in this simple white paper. I'm probably going to place a video right here where you can see me unboxing them and showing you guys all the details on the shoes. So they are really nice. I like the color combinations on this one. This orange, green and beige and white combination. I really love the color combination. That's the thing I really love about retro or 90s sneakers or daddy sneakers. Usually they have cool color combinations, but I think that's the case with any other sneakers right now. The color combinations are really great. You have a material mix there. You have a little bit of polyester, a little bit of leather, and they are really nice. They look breathable because you have this mesh on the top, and you have the different small Reebok logos on the shoes, and on the sole you also have the Reebok logo and this Excelite logo as well. Like I said, they are really nice. Really love the details on the shoe. I'm not a big fan of dad shoes or 90s, so really big shoes or these extravagant, not even really extravagant, like these big shoes. Like, I know that they are really on trend right now. I find them cute in small sizes, but in big sizes like mine, I just don't like them as much. But I'm still a big fan of the shoe. They are really nice. So that's it for me. Like I said, they look really cute. The color combination is really nice. I think that you have different color combinations for these ones. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys a little close-up for you to see what they look like, and we are going to take a little break and talk later. You have probably seen a little close-up right now, and I'm just going to repeat myself and say that they are really comfortable. Like, this is just a try on. I didn't spend like a day in them, so I can't really know if they are comfortable on a long period of time, but they are really comfy. They look breathable, like I said, because you have this mesh detail here on the top and on the sizes. I feel like they are really you can walk in them, I guess. I mean, I think they are called adventure because you should be able to like walk in them or go hike in them. So they are really comfy and they are true to size, like I said before, and I'm a big fan of this color combination. Yep. So let's get to my little outfit suggestion for this video. So for this video, I wanted to do something really simple, and that's why, because of this big and loud color combination you have on the shoe, I wanted to go with a more monochrome outfit, and that's why I went for this brown monochromatic outfit. And I am wearing this top that I'm wearing right now, and I paired it with leather pants or synthetic leather pants. I am a big fan of leather pants for winter because they keep you warm and they look stylish and they are not necessarily tied. Even though you can choose to wear the leather leggings which are stylish as well, but I love pants more. So I paired the pants with this jumper and the trainers as the trainer naturally, and I added this brown blazer to complete the outfit, as well as my brown hat. And it's a simple monochromatic outfit with these cute earrings that I'm wearing right now, and it's really simple. You can wear it to work or wear it to go out, it depends on you. And I feel like I feel like brown works really well with these colors, like this lemon green color here and the orange as well. So that's my outfit suggestions for this video. A quick recap. Love the sneakers, really love them. They're a little bit too chunky for me, and I'm not sure that I want to keep them, but really love trying them on. I don't know, tell me in the comments what you think, if you have purchased them already, and if you feel like they are stylish. I feel like they are really stylish, they are really on trend right now, and they are not, the price is not that high. Like you can easily find them for like 30 or 40 euros if you have the chance to find it on an online store and get them at a small price and look really stylish. So really comfy but chunky, like it's the right choice for you if you want something low price and chunky and that in this that sneaker vibe. Love them. And that's it for me today. Don't forget to tell me in the comment if you liked the video or if you have any comment to make. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more videos like this, or make a video suggestion. And thank you again for watching. Find me on Instagram at the Style Tapes, and see you next week. Bye.